Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking apart the Wahl balding clipper. Here it is, guys. Every time they have these clippers and say balding on them, they don't bald. They don't shave your head bald. That's a lie. I don't know why they keep doing that. Well, yeah, I do. To sell more of these, but they do not bald. But that's it, guys. So, before I get started, as usual, I'll let you guys know. Thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs down if you don't like the video. You're the boss. Now, started on this, you guys can see it has some Phillip head screws here. 3 that I can see right now, but it also has 1 here on the blades on the side here, and 2 on the top here. But I'll start with these first that are holding the main body together. I'll take this off first. Get these out here. Ooh, these are some long little screws here. Wow. I did not think these screws were going to be that long. They're long little screws. Alright, let me finish this first one I started with. Get this out of the way. Okay. Got the cover off. And you can see inside the body. This is coiled around here. This is what makes it move back and forth, basically. Let me try to show you guys before I go too far. Hopefully I won't electrocute myself, but alright, I got it plugged in. You guys can see that. Alright, let me take that off. Just did that real quick. Plugged it back out. I don't want any problems. And you see, I don't know if you guys saw that when I was moving this back and forth. This is the connector right here. It's a little piece of plastic right here that goes into place when it makes the connection from power to ground, and it gives it the power. Okay, so that's what that little clip is for. This keeps this little copper connector separate so it doesn't connect and doesn't get power that goes through it. So when you click it, this little connector goes in place and sends the power through the circuit. The ground usually is the black and the positive is usually the red, so it keeps it from getting ground, and there's no ground, it's not going to get any power to it. Okay, alright guys, now it looks like there's 2 Phillips screws right here. Get these out. And here, there's a screw here. Oh, here we go. This is be considered as a motor, guys. Just how they designed it. Instead of spinning, it goes back and forth like this. But this would be considered a motor. Okay. Now, I have a couple more. Well, this one's the adjustment screw right here. You guys can see this little spring here. You adjust it with this in here. Alright. And I notice it has a couple of security bit screws right here. Those are not Phillips, these are security bit screws. But everything else I can take apart. I can get this Phillips head screw right here. Little baby right here. Take that apart. Take the other one here that's on the negative cable. Okay, let me get this all the way out here. There we go. Got that. This negative cable also. Okay. Get that. Now if I want to take this metal bracket piece right here out, I'll have to get those with the security bits, because that's how they keep those locked in. Okay. And you guys can see the connection here. This comes out of the main cord, the power cord. Ground wire. And this comes through as positive. And they keep them separate, but there's two wires in here. One's supposed to be a positive and one's supposed to be a negative. The black one's a negative, so this white one's supposed to be the positive. Okay. But when they had it set up is that it was not getting power until the connector hit this cable, which is red, which is also a positive, but it had it disconnected. Until it hit that connector, it wouldn't run through the line, okay, to connect for power. So that's what that is. And I believe I have this bit here. I did a video on these security bits, so you might have seen that video. Let's see what it is here. No, I think this one's. It might be this one. If I have it. Hopefully, guys, I have it. I might not have every single security bit that they have out there, but I might not have this one, guys. Let me keep searching here for a second. No, I don't have this one. All the bits I have when it comes to this, it's insane. Yeah. No. Oh, yes. Yes, I do, guys. Yes, I do. I was going to give up on it, but I haven't. Okay. Trusty screwdriver here. Take this out. What the? Oh my. Guys, I'm not going to believe this. I broke it. It broke it, guys. Look at that. Where is it? Here it is. It broke the bit. Look at that. It's broken. Wow. You guys remember, don't buy cheap bits. It snapped it right off. Oh my goodness. Wow. I did not expect that. Oh my goodness. Wow. It still works though, guys. Still works. Even though this top got snapped off, it still works. I broke my bit just to show you guys this, so I hope you guys appreciate this. Oops. Okay. I got that taken off. Now, this loosened up here. There we go. Got that out for the control spring here. Alright, and everything else out. I'm gonna try to force this out. Here it is. There we go. Alright, got it. Maybe the springs came out. Adjustment springs. Now I have to take this blade off because that's what's keeping it from coming out. Which should have been done first. But you guys won't be too mad at me, will you? Okay. Just took off the upper blade here. This is the lower blade, it fell off. Did it. Here we go. It's finally out, guys. This is the complete piece. And this is the part that goes into your lower blade here and moves it side to side like that. That's what that's for. Okay. And that was it. It's just a little plastic tip on here. This is plastic. That's about everything, guys. There's two other little screws here. I might as well finish out the video. The video will probably be like a long video. Got that out of there. There is another screw right here. Hey, I'm taking it apart. I'm going to take it apart all the way. Okay? I said I was going to do it, and I'm doing it. There's another screw right here. There we go. Completely broken down, guys. Every single piece. Just except for the switch. I'd have to break it out of here. But everything else is completely gone in the part. And you can guys see it's not a very complicated design. Just a motor that goes like that. That's it. You know, there's no control board, no transistors, no resistors, none of that. Just a simple motor back and forth on top of two blades. That's it. Alright guys, I thank you for watching the video. You know, if you like it, you thumbs up. If you don't, you thumbs down. And I'll see you next video. Bye bye.